Hey, everyone, welcome back to Secure Your Benefits, your trusted source for clear and accurate updates on Social Security, stimulus payments, and all the essential financial support programs that matter to you and your family. If you've recently realized you missed your stimulus payment or think you were supposed to receive one but didn't, don't panic. You're not alone, and there are still ways to claim what you're owed even now in July 2025. As of today, the IRS has wrapped up the automatic distribution of the most recent stimulus round that was part of the 2025 economic relief package. Most eligible Americans should have already received the payment via direct deposit, mailed check, or prepaid debit card. But in some cases, delays or issues can occur. And if that's happened to you, here's what you should be doing next. First, the most important step is to check the IRS Get My Payment tool online. This tool has been updated regularly, and it lets you track the status of your payment, including whether it was issued, how it was sent, and if there were any delivery problems reported. If it says your payment was sent, but you never received it, you may need to initiate a payment trace. This is a formal process that helps the IRS investigate what happened and whether the check was lost, stolen, or undeliverable. To request a trace, you can call the IRS directly at their dedicated stimulus hotline or fill out Form 3911, which is the form for a taxpayer statement regarding refund. When you submit this form, the IRS will review your case and determine whether a replacement payment is appropriate. Keep in mind that this process may take several weeks, so be patient, but stay persistent and follow up. If you don't hear back, if the IRS says no payment was issued for you, but you believe you're eligible, you'll need to look at your most recent tax return or the eligibility guidelines to confirm. For the 2025 stimulus, eligibility was generally based on income, thresholds, and filing status. If your income was within the qualifying range and you had a valid Social Security number, you were likely eligible. But issues can happen if the IRS didn't have your most updated banking information or mailing address. That's especially common if you didn't file taxes recently or moved without updating your address. In that case, you may still be able to claim your missing stimulus payment through the 2025 Recovery Rebate Credit. This credit is available on your federal tax return and is specifically designed to help those who didn't receive the full amount of the stimulus payment they qualified for. If you haven't filed your 2024 tax return yet, be sure to include this credit when you do. Even if you don't normally file taxes, the IRS allows non-filers to submit a simplified return to claim these credits. Keep all your documentation organized, including any letters from the IRS, copies of past tax returns, and records showing your bank details or current address. This will help avoid delays and make your claim process much smoother. To secure your benefits, we always encourage our viewers to stay proactive. If you're not sure about your eligibility or need help filing for the Recovery Rebate Credit, reach out to a qualified tax preparer or check with local community support centers that offer free tax assistance. There's absolutely no need to pay for high-cost services when free help is often available. Missing a stimulus payment can be frustrating, especially when every dollar counts. But the good news is that the government hasn't closed the door completely. As long as you follow the right steps and take action soon, you can still get the financial relief you deserve. Thanks for watching and being part of the Secure Your Benefits community. If this video helped you understand your options, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates like this. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.